Hello everyone, this is Jayashri Das from Guwahati. First of all, I express my warm love for my students and regards to all the respected parents. I have done my bachelor's degree in political science and economics and my master degree in the business studies. I have also done B.Ed, which helps me to discover the psychology of a child and deal with them. I have the teaching experience of 15 years and I have worked in 5 to 6 schools working with the lovely children, helping them to understand the subject in a very simple and lucid language with good concept so that they can deliver well in the examination. I am really glad to work with Ma Saraswati Home Tuitions, which imparts home tuitions at their best. It is the best conceptual studies which will help your child and we will be there to guide you. So please join MS Tutors and contact us. We are at your service. Thank you.